Hi there, my name is Michael. Welcome to this video. If you're seeing this right now, then hi. So my name is Michael, and this is my cooking companion app that I made for a hackathon project a couple weeks ago, and now I'm presenting it more to the masses, probably via LinkedIn, most likely where's you're from seeing it. Anyway, so this hackathon project utilized ChatGPT and Dolly to produce what we have right here, which is my cooking companion, the AI that helps you cook with what you got to reduce your waste. So the idea of this project is that sometimes you have a lot of food in your fridge, or like not even a lot of food, I'll say like a little bit of food, and you're trying to figure out what to make. Well, this companion app is going to help you figure out what you want to make, or at least what you got. So anyway, let's carry on. So we got two buttons here. We can click to make a recipe, or we can click to go to your saved recipes. At the time when the hackathon finished, I was not able to finish the saved recipes button, so we're gonna go ahead and make a recipe. So now we have a default of 3 ingredients that we want to have, or that we have. Once we figure out what we have, then we're gonna click generate your recipe, and by clicking generate your recipe, it will send to ChatGPT a prompt, and it'll come up with a response of the things that we have. So let's begin. Let's say what we have. One of my favorite default ones so far has been eggs, avocado, and I think bacon was another one. Pretty simple things that I personally have in my fridge, so it's been really easy to do. So now we're generating our recipe. It's going to give us 3 different options, and our options are breakfast avocado toast, bacon and egg breakfast sandwich, and an avocado BLT salad. We don't really have a salad. Like I said, the prompts could be good, could be bad. Actually, the first 2 are kind of much the same, but let's go with like the bacon and egg breakfast sandwich. Sometimes it will generate some cool things. So we're going to click on that button. We go to another screen here, and it's time to prep. When I click this button to make my bacon and egg breakfast sandwich, it's going to send it to Dolly and ChatGPT as well, and it's going to produce step-by-step instructions of how to make our product or our food with what we have, and also generate images. So I've just clicked it right now. It does take some time to actually process and generate the photos and the prompts. So in the meantime, I'm going to tell you how I built this. So the front end, it is using Tailwind CSS. As well, on the back end, I'm using Python with Flask to kind of do both the changing of the pages, plus a lot of the more code back end on the Python. There is some JavaScript involved as well, but that's really just helping with opening different pages. So we're still here waiting to generate our images and so forth. Well, this is also an easy one because it's like I'm putting down things that are kind of common. After this example, just do a quick one of like 3 totally random things that I can think of, which it's going to be wild. I don't know. We'll see. AI can be a little bit crazy at times. Something that I would have wanted to implement, let's say, is to build more of a saving feature, saving opening. Oh, and look at that. We have our generated images with our prompts. So we can see here that we actually have, it gives us 5 steps. Honestly, like looking at the images are actually pretty good. It's been worse. It's been worse. So the first step is, I don't like this. I just noticed that that's going to bother me a little bit. Cook the bacon in a skillet over medium heat. Not bad. Remove the bacon from skillet and drain on paper towels. Okay, not bad, but it's not looking so well. I don't know. In the same skillet, cook eggs to your liking, scrambled, fried, or poached. So this whole sentence here is inputted into Dolly. So I don't know what I'm looking at. Like egg, yes, but I think it's kind of like all 3 at once. Kind of funny. Toast your choice of bread, English muffin, bagel, or toast. What is a slice of cheese doing on this? What is a slice of cheese? And why is there a croissant? I cannot tell you this, but It's kind of funny. But the final image is actually kind of good. Assemble the breakfast sandwich by layering in the bacon and eggs on a toasted bread. Add cheese or avocado if desired. Enjoy your delicious bacon and egg breakfast sandwich. Actually, as an end product photo, it worked out pretty well. I'm gonna say though, that's like a hard boil. That's like a hard egg, like not over easy. It's an over hard egg. So if anyone likes that, that's good. If you don't like a runny egg. All right. So now at this point, we can save a recipe. I'm gonna click save it. And so what happens is that the steps are saved into a folder as long as with the images underneath its own little folder that you can at a later point like open up again and take a look. That's if this button worked. It did not. Back to what I said before, we're going to make another recipe. Okay, let's add some more. Let's add 5 items in total. I'm just trying to think of completely random things. Let's try avocado again. Chili paste. I'm just thinking of things that are coming up in my mind. Turmeric. I know that's a spice, but we're going to go with it. A protein. Boar. No. When I mentioned it, I first thought of kangaroo. I had kangaroo maybe like last month, so it was kind of fresh in my mind. And lastly, need a carb. Let's do rice. I think rice is calling to me right now. So this is gonna be very interesting. What kind of thing we're gonna be making here? So this is also using ChatGPT-3. Oh, fucking curry. Okay, actually, that's not a bad idea. Spicy kangaroo stir fry, kangaroo avocado salad. But we're going to go with the curry with the turmeric rice. This unique flavor dish will introduce you to the delicious taste of kangaroo meat. Combination of spices and curry with a tender kangaroo served over fragrant turmeric rice is a must-try meal. All right, let's go with that. So we're going to wait. So one thing before I click this, I have to remember that I do have a time limit with Dolly images. It's like 5 images per minute. So we're gonna now click it. Should have already been a minute of so forth of me just rambling on about this kind of stuff. I'm gonna pause this right now, and once you hear me again, the images will have been generated. Okay, we're back, and we have our images. I haven't taken a look. I only see the first 2. Okay. All right, let's start from the beginning. Let me see if I can zoom in. I want to see how this looks when it zooms in. Okay, it doesn't scale, or it does scale. Okay, this is gonna make it easy for you guys too. Oh wow, this actually may look. No. We're gonna keep it like that. We're gonna keep it like this. Alrighty. Marinate the kangaroo meat with a mixture of yogurt, turmeric, cumin, coriander, chili powder, and salt for at least 2 hours in the fridge. I mean, this is also trying to I needed to work on the prompt saying that we need to specify things that we only have. We don't have yogurt in this or cumin, coriander. But I also did mention that we do have spicy seasoning in the prompt itself. So take that into account. Large pan, heat oil over medium heat. Brown the marinated kangaroo meat for 5 to 7 minutes. Add chopped onion, garlic, ginger, and bell peppers to the pan and cook until the onions are translucent. Stirring coconut milk, tomato paste, or so much that they're assuming we have. And a pinch of salt. Let the curry simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. And I don't know what I'm looking at. In a separate pot, cook the rice according to package, adding a teaspoon, and then serve the kangaroo curry over the turmeric rice and enjoy your flavorful meal. Does it think we have carrots? Oh, does it really think we have carrots in our recipe? I don't know, but it looks kind of weird, and I hope that's just carrots. Anyway, that is it, guys. This is just a quick little short video. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're curious about more of what I'm making or any other things, curious, collaborate, whatever, yeah, I'm your guy. All right. Bye-bye.